Hey guys, welcome to Mommy's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Egg Maggi. This is one of my most favorite Maggi recipes. Do try this out and you will definitely gonna add this to your favorite list. There are a lot of varieties that can be made with Maggi, but this particular recipe is very simple, most lovable and preferable by everyone. Let's check out the recipe. But before that, if you are watching for the first time, do subscribe to Mommy's Kitchen and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss out my recipes. Take a pan, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon cumin seeds. While cumin seeds start splattering, add about half cup of chopped onions. Give them a quick mix and cook till the onions are transparent. Now add 4 to 5 finely chopped green chillies and some fresh curry leaves. Saute them well and cook till the oil catches the flavor of curry leaves and green chillies. Now it's time to add some spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of coriander powder. At this point, you can add half teaspoon garam masala to increase its flavor. I am not adding because I like to keep it simple. Cook till the raw smell of coriander powder and turmeric is gone. Now add some salt to taste. Mix everything well and cook till the oil separates. Stir occasionally if needed. Now move the mixture to one side of the pan and to the other side of the pan add 2 beaten eggs. Do not mix them immediately, let them set till the eggs are partially cooked. As you are seeing, the eggs are partially cooked. Now scramble the eggs and hold on till the eggs are completely cooked. Now mix everything well and cook until the egg catches all the flavors. Now add 1½ cup of water, give it a quick mix and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 packet of Maggi masala powder and cook until the water absorbs the flavor of masala. Now add 1 packet of Maggi, close it with the lid and cook till they are semi-soft. Once they are semi-soft, scramble the Maggi and mix everything well. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes till they are completely soft. Add water if required and stir occasionally. Finally, our delicious Egg Maggi is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it with some tomato ketchup. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do like the video and share it with your family and friends. See you soon with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye bye.